Right, as you saw in the last episode, we split the gearbox from the engine. So in this episode, we're going to get the engine onto the engine stand, which we also have to build, but we'll get that done. But yeah, so today we need to take the clutch off. We need to take the clutch actual housing off, and then the actual dual mass flywheel to then bolt onto the block to get the engine up onto the crane. Right, so this is held on by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 triple square bolts. Obviously that's going to require a triple square spline socket. I've sprayed them with WD-40, only a little bit, and I'm going to crack them off now. Right, so this is the pressure plate. All the bolts have been removed, they're down there. But taking this off revealed that this car has had quite a hard life. Pressure plate is glazed beyond belief, and there's burn on the outside edges. If you look at that clutch, that doesn't look great. You can see there's a lot of like cracking and damage and burning, so whoever's been driving with this engine before has clearly been dropping the clutch and letting it go for it. Obviously nothing wrong with that, but if you want your clutch to look anything like this, glazed beyond belief, and the actual friction material itself isn't looking too clever either. Yeah, that's not great. Obviously this is a dual mass flywheel, so it means there's two masses spinning, and that doesn't feel too good either. But this will be changed for a VR6 light and flywheel, so this is going to the bin. Right, that's all the bolts out for the flywheel, or the dual mass flywheel. So now it's just spinning on the actual hub itself. So this will be able to be pulled off, and then we'll be able to start mounting the cradle to the engine. Right, that's the dual mass flywheel on the floor. That is the crank right there. And this is basically the most stripped down I'm going to get it before it goes onto the actual cradle itself, which is on the floor there in bits. But now we can use this to line up where we're going to fix it on, and then we can go from there. Right, so as it turns out, I don't actually have the hardware to fit the engine stand to the engine, so I've had to order them bolts. There'll be a few days, because obviously there's things going on in the world at the moment. And then once they come through, we can do that. But for now, I'm just going to tidy up. I'm going to build the actual complete stand and get it out of the way, ready for when the bolts come.